broadcasts of emergency messages. This is a test of the warning alarm system for Noaa weather radio stations WXJ 89 Wausau, KIG 65 Green Bay, WXN 69 Sister Bay, WWG 88 Crandon, WWF 40 Coloma, WNG 552 New London, KC2XBZ Gresham, WNG 553 Wathauke, and WNG 565 Rhinelander. Specially built receivers are automatically activated by the signal for severe weather watches and warnings issued for central and northeastern Wisconsin. Tests of this alarm system are conducted each Wednesday between 11 a.m. and noon. If severe weather threatens the area near this normal test time, the test will be postponed until the first available good weather day. The warning alarm will be activated for watches and warnings that affect these 9 Noaa weather radio stations in central and northeastern Wisconsin. For a complete listing of the transmitter locations, the frequencies, and the counties they serve, please contact the Green Bay National Weather Service Office at area code 920-494